Hey, we're gonna start today's video off. Me in the truck. I just got done grocery shopping, and I'm splurging a little bit on myself. I should have a little haircut too, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna splurge on myself a little bit today because it's payday. So I got the yellow American, some beef bologna, and Bridor Parisian loaf. That's what I'm finna eat. Tradition I have every time I go to the commissary. I leave home hungry, get to the commissary, shop, and I reward myself with a sandwich on the way home. But yeah, today's video, it's all about that shed. Let's see what we can do with it. See that tire right there? That black thing on the ground. Finger. Where's my hand? Ooh. Can't even see mine in the camera. There we go. But yeah, we're gonna back this up all the way down there. You guys are gonna sit in the back and watch everything. Let's go for a ride. Man, that was some sketchy business. Hey, we made it. This is gonna take a while. I'll be back. All right, now that I've laid out all the rails, the fence that's gonna get put up Sunday and not today. Let's go get the concrete to make these footers for the shed so I can move, attempt to move this 6,000 pound shed. All right, let's go get the concrete. All right, I'm back out. I went, ate lunch, sat down. You know what happened. Yeah. But hey, they always say if your body, needs rest, it's gonna take it, no matter what. No matter what. You can fight it all you want to. I didn't fight it. I went to sleep. Anyway, back outside. I'm gonna level the 4 corners, make sure they're good, then put some stone in them, temper it down, put some concrete in it. Once those are good, I'll go ahead and do the rest. So we might not be moving the shed today. Might not. It's now 2:30. Give me about an hour, put these down. If I can start moving it, it'll be a start. As long as I can start moving it, we're good. Give the concrete time to cure. Drop it on there. Let me get some leveling these forms. And yeah, I'm tired. Let's level these forms and rocks tampered in. all the boards are level, all four corners level, and have rock in them. I'm gonna go tamper them real quick and double check the level again, then mix up concrete. Nope, that don't fit. Where's the old one? I need the old one. Time to mix. It is now 3:37 and I am going to call it and go ahead and say shed's not getting moved today. I'm gonna be honest with you. So if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. But these are taking more time than I thought they would. And I'm thinking another hour or so on these before I even get to jacking that up to get it to roll. We're gonna attempt to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and call it right now. It might not happen, it might not, but watch the video anyway. Please watch the video. As suspected, it's still there, but we did get all the forms in. All right. Whoa, what is going on here? All right. All the forms are in and level. Hopefully tomorrow I might be able to. But we're gonna test something before we close this video out. Let's see if we can see under here. Something to set the phone on. All right, now we're gonna see. Ooh, I need new pants. Oh man, the quality of this camera is crazy. Wow. Only after 20 minutes of fighting this thing is it now there, and it's looking like it doesn't want to go longer with the board. There we go. Now, this is all I wanted to do. That's that. Let me go back to the other side. Finally, one end of bamboo, other end of bamboo. Your boy tired. I had to jack it up more, but next episode might be the episode. I'm gonna go and take the one out on the other side. First, let me push these boards back in. What we're looking like. Okay, that one's on there. The other one's definitely getting some resistance. So you can see one 1x6 there, another there. But over here we have nothing. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down and keep playing with it till I get them through. Then I'll be satisfied. Look at that. You can shake it anyway. There's a solution for every problem. So, 1, 2, 3. Can't see number 4. It's buttoned up on the wheels of the jack, but it's in there. I'm done for today. We're calling this a video. The good thing about YouTube is you can always go back and change your title and your thumbnail, because this was supposed to be attempting to move the shed by myself, and if need be, holler at the neighbors. But all we got done was footers and first bamboo roll onto the shed. The rest of them should be easier. Should be. Appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all so much. And I'll get you another video, another episode, I should say.